Hello friends, I hope that you are having an amazing day. Holy crap, why do my hands look so freaking red? What's going on with my lighting right now? Anyway, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. This is going to be a Halloween Dollar Tree haul. Because yes, Halloween is much closer than you think it is. Okay, I think we'll start off with the wooden things. I was gonna say projects, but they're not exactly projects yet. They're wooden items that will become projects. Okay. Okay. Let's get this zoomed out a little bit. There we go. You can see how messy my desk is. Isn't it lovely? Okay, so we have her. A little witch with a cauldron. I love it. Then we have this, which is, you know what it is. It's pumpkins in a coffin. Okay, moving on. I'm moving pretty fast, guys, because I have a lot of shit. Excuse me, stuff. I have a lot of stuff. Wicked. Very cute. It's got a witch's hat on it. Love it. And the broom. Very adorable. Got another coffin. This one says trick or treat. Alright, I have two of these. These are like wreaths with a little house and a bat kind of thing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I'm still figuring this out. I'm figuring all of this out, guys. Don't worry. I'm not rushing you into Halloween just yet. I have a wooden skeleton. So it's the whole skeleton. Good? Okay. Get untangled, guys. Guys, come on. Behave, please. Okay. This is a little hangy thing with two jack-o'-lanterns and a tombstone. Very cute. Where's the rest of you? I know you're in here. I think I got two of those. I got some witches' hats and some ghosties and jack-o'-lanterns. Yep. I know there's more. Oh, here's the other one. Okay. Get out of here, you. Here's the other Halloween thing. I don't know. Whatever. Two skulls and a jack-o'-lantern. Yes, very nice. Ochi dochi. I got some pumpkins. I have more pumpkins. Where are they at? There you are. A couple of packs of those. Plus, I got some buffalo check ones. Very cute. And I know that I have another one in here. Maybe, possibly. Maybe I don't. I don't know. So those are the pumpkins. Very cute. These are kind of fuzzy. Let me see if I can show you. So they're kind of, yeah, fuzzy textured. Almost like a velvet. A velveteen. Good. Alright. Oh, here's some more wooden things. I got 2 packs of these little stickers. Very nice. Needless to say, your girl Megan went a little bit, a lot of bit overboard at the Dollar Tree. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of these bones. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to be honest with y'all, I don't really care for the bones because they are foam and they are, you can't really tell. They're sparkly, they're glittery. I don't really care for them all that much, but I guess you'll have to subscribe to see what I do with those. Okay. Now these were so cute, I had to get a whole bunch. Let me grab them all out because I can't. They're just freaking adorable. Okay. They had these wooden mushrooms and acorns. So I got 3 packs of mushrooms because they're just, I mean, come on, guys. Those are to die for, aren't they? They're just, I can't. Okay, so I got 3 packs of mushrooms. I thought that I had 2 of acorns. Maybe I'll find the other one somewhere else. And 3 packs of little apples. They are so cute. Never seen them before at Dollar Tree. Had to stock up. Of course, they're going to join my horde of stuff that I never freaking use. And I got 2 packs of these little mini hay bales. Very cute. These are different than the ones that I used for last year's projects. They're much smaller. They also don't have the metal bands holding them together. So these are going to be cute to work with. Let's see. Okay, some more wooden things. Halloween DIY pens. Let me zoom you in there. There you go. Some little ghosties that say boo. Some little witch's cauldrons that the witch apparently was drinking a little too much and she fell in. But these are pins. And clearly you're supposed to color them in, but that's probably not what I'm going to use them for. But hey, I got them anyway. Alright, lots of stickers. What else is in here? Oh yeah. Before I show you the stickers, these little star beads. I thought they were just so cute. They are beads, so they do have holes in the middle of them. But we'll figure out what we want to do with those. Okay, on to stickers. I have 2 packs of these, which I thought were just gorgeous. And they are kind of metallic looking. I love the Hocus Pocus. So I have 2 packs of those. I also got 2 packs of these ones, which again, oh, so gorge. Oh my goodness. Okay. I got 1 pack of these because I just couldn't, I couldn't resist because they are just too freaking cute. Look at the little ghosties. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Stickers. What else is in here? Oh, nothing special. That was all the special stuff. I also got 2 packs of baby wipes. So yeah, that is my Dollar Tree haul. Look forward to me using all of that stuff in today's, oh my God, Megan, wake up. This year's 13 Days of Horrible Crafts and Even Scarier Stories. Hopefully I actually use that stuff. I have a huge bin, you guys, of Halloween stuff. And if I showed you, you would seriously worry about me. You really would. You'd probably put me on the show orders. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Sorry this was a super quick one, but I hope you enjoyed it either way. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you liked it. If you want to see more content like this, well, hopefully not as rushed and hopefully much more creative, as in resin stuff and crafting stuff, hit the subscribe button. It is free to subscribe to a channel. I didn't know if you knew that. It's free to sign up for a YouTube account. Yeah. And that's about it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, take care, guys. I'll see you next time.